Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. Today we will see how to make eco-friendly Ganesha idol using the items which are available in the home easily. Let us see the video. Items needed: maida 1 cup. You can take wheat flour instead of maida also. Turmeric powder 1 cup. Raw milk 1 cup. Sugar powder 2 tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoon. First, we have to make proper dough. For making dough, I add maida, turmeric powder, sugar powder, oil, everything in a plate. Mix well. Then add milk little by little and make a chapati dough consistency. It should be little softer than chapati dough. I am using raw milk only. No need to boil the milk. Dough should be like this consistency. It nearly takes 1 cup of milk. Only 1 tablespoon milk is remaining. If you want more milk also, you add more milk. No problem in that. Because some flour will need more milk to reach this consistency. If you need, you can adjust your milk measurement according to your need. Just cover the dough with some wrapper and allow to rest for 15 minutes. If you don't have wrapper, no problem. You just cover with cloth or any lid and allow to rest for 15 minutes. I divide the dough into many balls. This is for base. This is for 2 legs. This 2 for body portion. This is for head. These 2 for both hands. This is for trunk portion. These 2 for ear. This is for cap. This is for making mouse, modak and everything. Keep milk nearby you. Take some toothpicks. Take the dough for base. Just flat like this using your hand or roller pin, anything. I am using just a hand. Just flat like this. Whatever shape you want, you can make. I am making circle. So I use some lid to cut that dough into proper circle. Like this you cut and take. Now our base is ready. We are going to make leg part. For making leg part, take the leg part dough and roll like this. I am making both legs together. So roll like this and take the measurement from your base and adjust according to that size. Just make a little bend at both ends. It shows like a foot. Our leg part is ready. Stick together with the base using milk. You can use water also. Now we are going to make stomach part of the body. For making this, you take little bigger dough compared to another piece of the body. Just roll like this and make a oval shape like this and flat at both ends. Stick together with the leg portion. In between the leg you place. You just place using milk or water. We are going to make chest portion now. Just take the smaller piece compared to the stomach portion and roll like this and place it above that stomach portion using milk or water. After placing that, just rub like this using milk or water. I am using milk only. You rub like this, it will stick easily together. If you feel that dough is very dry like that, you just apply some Vaseline or oil and mix well. I am using oil only. Now we are going to make head portion. For that you just take the head portion and make like a ball. Then you insert a toothpick into that head portion like this and attach with the body portion. And apply some milk to stick together. We are going to make left hand. In left hand I just giving some modak. So I make like this shape and attach with the body portion using milk. You can easily bend the clay. After fixing left hand, you just wear the spoonhole, otherwise you can't wear. I made this spoonhole using normal thread only. You can use any thread. Now we are going to make right hand. Just roll the dough like this and make the finger part looking up. Then I stick with the body part using milk. Whatever shape you want, you can make. Next we are going to make trunk portion. For making trunk portion, take the dough and roll like this. One end should be flat, another end should be very small. Make like this and attach with the face using milk. Now our trunk portion is attached. We are going to make 2 ears now. For that you just take a ear part dough and roll like a ball, then flat like this. One end should be flat and another end should be like a cone. You make like this and make 2 ears like this. When attaching ears, you just insert the toothpick into the ear, flat portion of the ear and attach with the head like this and apply some milk to stick together. Next we are going to make crown part. Today I make only the simple crown only. You can make your crown as per your creativity. Now our Ganesha is easily ready. Now we are going to make a mouse. For that you just roll the clay like this. Take small piece and draw flat like this. This is going to be the stand for mouse. Now I am going to make plate to keep some laddus as a prasad for Ganesha. Now our Ganesha is ready. Now we are going to fix eyes for Ganesha and mouse. I am using pepper for eyes of Ganesha and mustard seeds for eyes of mouse. Just insert the pepper like this and make the impression of eyebrow using toothpick. You just make impression in the both hands like fingers and both foots like fingers, and in the trunk area, ear area like that. You make some impressions. Then give one hand that modak. Now I made a towel for Ganesha. You just roll the clay, then flat with your finger. Then you just wear to Ganesha. You can decorate Ganesha as per your creativity. I didn't do much. Simply I done today. For mouse also I fixed some mustard seed eyes. Just insert the toothpick into the stomach area to make navel part. I gave some impression using impression tool on the crown area because I didn't use any stones or beads, anything. Handmade always gives the happiness. So you all should try this Ganesha in your home and celebrate this year Ganesha festival using this eco-friendly Ganesha idol. I hope all are like this video. If you are like this video, like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe my magical hands. Press the bell button to get future video notification. Happy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.